Hello again, this is Matt Moser, a partner with Alchemy Solutions, and what I want to do is just continue very briefly where you can find some additional help within the Fujitsu product line. The way you get to the help is pretty easy. You're pressing your start button, and then from there you're going to select all programs, and in this particular case Fujitsu NetCOBOL for .NET v4.0. And you have a couple different options. You have the file utility, NetCOBOL for .NET, the command prompt, the messages documentation, which helps you find your JMP errors and what they're associated with, .NET User's Guide documentation, which is what we're previewing now, and utilities command prompt, online documentation, which is excellent, and again, what we covered in some of the other tutorials was the runtime environment setup utility. And so kind of continuing on, the way that you can look for help on embedded SQL is coming into here and keying in embedded SQL. And I just keyed in part of it and it brought the help up. And from there you can look at ADO.NET, information on it, advanced data manipulation with a program that kind of explains how it all works, how everything interconnects. Executing a SQL statement, how it gets driven into working storage, how you can do your next fetch, and so forth, how you can update data, inserting it into using inserting into your database. Update works very similar to that, and delete, and so forth. So quite powerful, and some more information on connecting that you can take a look at can be found here. There's a database access overview, a sample database, and again establishing a server connection to help you out. We have retrieving data, updating data using COBOL. If you want to control how your application, or I'll call your SQL Server access is being done, there are multiple ways to do that, or any one of your database's accesses. But the best one to choose is going to the app.config file, which we did earlier using the runtime environment setup utility, and here's an example of some of that information. So if we were looking for concurrency, how we wanted to handle that, this is just an example of how it can be done. And again, many thanks to Walter Sweat for his help in terms of putting this together of Alchemy Solutions. So if you want to look up any of these, again, you could come over to help and you can key it in at SQL, and boom, there you are. Again, if you have any questions, there's a great support staff at Alchemy, and I also can be reached. Again, this is Matt Moser of mosersoft.com. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.